Namaste and welcome to day 23 of Start Now. Well, today's practice is a continuation of yesterday's practice where we repeat what we did yesterday and add a little bit more to the existing practice. Feel free to extend your practice by pausing the video and adding few more rounds of Surya Namaskars from going forward. So when we meet at the end of the practice after a few days, we come to a place where we can do few more rounds together. Yes, with that, get into a comfortable seat. Keep your eyes closed, shoulders relax. Let your body just become still at one place. Stop in the time for a little while and just keep breathing as you hold yourself into stillness. Bring awareness into your body and notice, is there any areas of stiffness in the body? Wherever you spot the areas of stiffness, try to consciously breathe there. Try to inhale and exhale actively in those places and allow the muscles to feel a little more relaxed. Join your palms at heart center with your eyes closed. Let's chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. Om. Have a simple intention for your practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Keeping your eyes closed, we'll do slow neck rotation. Circle your neck clockwise and go as slow as you can to address each and every corner in the neck area. And breathe in those muscles that support you hold the skull of yours, which is also considered as the heaviest part of your body. One more time before you switch directions. And now reverse the direction. Try to see if you can breathe and coordinate your breath as you do this. And center. Slowly open your eyes. We'll do some resistance for our neck muscles to strengthen our neck region. So you'll take your right hand, use your flat region of your palm to resist your right side of the body. And when the palms are pushing in, the head is also pushing to it. So there's a constant friction and resistance there. Yes. So press through it, keep it active and breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep that engagement. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Let's go for the same thing on the left side. Engage, resist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. We'll go for the back. Interlock your fingers. Resist from the back. Shoulders down, chin down, and breathe. 10, resist. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing from the front. Resist. 10, 9, 8, chin parallel to the floor. 5, 4, shoulders down. 2 and 1. Slowly release. Open your eyes. Move your neck a little bit. Lovely. Let's come up to standing. From here, you can keep your knees together. We'll roll the knees clockwise 4 times. Try to go lowest, hit every range of motion possible, and then reverse the direction. Beautiful. Keep going. And relax. From here, activating those hamstrings again. So hands on your waist. Stand sideways. Legs are hip width apart, not very wide, not very less. Shoulders roll back. Engage your legs. Lift up from your chest. Now keep your spine straight to lower and up. Do not round your spine. You don't have to go lower if your spine is rounding after a point. Stop where your spine rounds. Don't let it round. Let's focus on our breath as we do this. Exhale as you go down and inhale as you come up. Let's continue you doing this without my counts. Go at your own pace. And come back, stand still, find stillness. Try not to move. From here, get your hands behind of you. Open your legs, face your toes to the side. Roll the shoulders back, lift up from your chest and push back from your hips also. And try to stay here. Try to keep bringing your elbows closer to each other. Try to see if you can breathe here. If not, bring the chin to chest and breathe there. Keep lifting your chest up, elongating that spine of yours. And slowly come back. One more time, roll the shoulders back, elbows in. Lift up from the chest, push the hips back, shoulders back. And slowly come back up. Legs together. Stand in stillness. Take your arms up. Take your right leg up 90 degrees. Hold this here. Look at one spot. Find your balance. Try to keep that knee and hip in one line. And slowly lower the leg without lowering the hands, lifting the left leg up. Beautiful. Shoulders are down, neck is relaxed. That's extremely important. And slowly lower the legs down, lower the hands down. This is beautiful. Let's try to lift the back leg up. So you can keep your hands on the waist, lift the back leg up and lower the upper body down. Warrior 3. Look ahead, balance. Try to keep both the hips in one line. So drop that right hip more down. Stay. Believe in your ankles. Don't burden them with your expectation. Give them breath, let them live, and just notice how they support you in your practice. Enjoy if you have any wobbles, any falls, any adjustments. Have fun in the process. And slowly come up. Slowly take the left leg back. Lift up with the legs, lower down with your upper torso. Drop that left hip down slightly to bring it in line with the right. And stay. Breathe. And slowly come up. Relax the hands and stay. Take your both arms up again. Lift up the right leg. Hold it for 5. And without dropping the legs this time, try to hinge your upper body down and take your legs back. You can keep your hands back if that throws you off the balance, but enjoy that wobble. And stay. Slowly reverse it back up with your arms and legs and release. Good job. Left leg up, arms up, hold it there. Now take your body back and lower your upper torso. Find that balance. Enjoy the practice. And slowly come back up and release. This is beautiful. Slowly come to the top of the mat. Eyes closed, just bring stillness, don't move. Let's go for 4 rounds of Sun Salutation, Surya Namaskars. Okay, in this practice, I will try to only count the first 2 rounds. In the next 2 rounds, we will follow along. Yes? Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down, look up. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, slowly lower knee, chest, forehead. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, right leg ahead, look up. Feel free to do this at your own pace. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms and then release. Second round, inhale. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, lowering it down. Release that neck. Inhale, left leg back, left knee down, look up. Hold your breath, plank or downward dog. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, left leg ahead. Hold, exhale, forward bend, release that neck. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, join your palms, relax the hands. We will go for a few more rounds at your own pace. No countings. Follow a rhythm of the breath and it will not let you get tired. Believe in yourself. Continue following that practice. Go for a few more rounds. And once you're done practicing your Surya Namaskars, unpause this video and meet me at your seat. Take time to allow your heart rate to go back to its normal pace. From here, slowly lie down on your spine. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Get your hands on your navel and just observe your breath. Keep your chin closer to your chest and then let it fall neutrally. Just stay with yourself and observe how your body receives this practice. Leaving you to relax here for a little longer. Don't skip through this. I will see you in the next practice.